Hi, my name is Donald. I'm a student at Chaminade Julian High School. I'd like to tell you about a cool work opportunity if you are a junior or senior, for you to have a great job with pay and in a really important industry, right here in our area. I took advantage of this great work opportunity and I have learned so much along with gaining a good salary with it. You can get a job in business, construction, engineering, healthcare, information technology, manufacturing, and many more. It was super easy to apply. All you have to do is go to www.socheintern.org/students to apply today. Join me and get some great experience to put on your resume for your next step in life.